Hi everyone, this is Edward. Welcome to VideoProc Vlogger official channel. In this series, we will introduce you the cutting skills that are extensively used in movies and vlogs. Make sure you check out the link in the description box down below to download the software for free. Alright, so now let's get the video started. When watching a movie or a video, people are usually impressed by some natural transition, which did not add any effects. And this is the charm of Magic Cut. It can bring more than just natural transition, but also help to hint the transition of time and some metaphors. So, the quality of your video can be improved a lot once you know how to use Magic Cut. There are a few ways to do Magic Cut, and today I will show you 3 of them. First of all, graphic match. Basically, it means the composition of the shots or the objects in the shots are similar. Like these 2 videos. The direction of their camera movements are the same, and the shape of their objects are the same as well. And meanwhile, you must render certain that the shared parts appearing in 2 clips are overlapped or identical to one another. And to reach that, we might need to make some adjustment. First of all, create a new project in VideoProc. Import them to VideoProc Vlogger and drag them into the video track. Click this clip, drag it down here to the overlay track. Then, find transparency setting, lower the value, and move the slider to here. Now, the 2 images are overlapped clearly. Then, we continue to adjust the scale and position of the clip until it matches exactly the previous one. When it does, we restore the transparency to where it was. Finally, let's keep the footages from the overlapped frame and beyond. Cut all the clips before the frame. And then, place the clip back to the video track. Let's take a look at the final video. Second, movement match. It means the objects have the same movement or the same moving trail. The continuity of the action can lead the audience naturally from the previous scene to the next scene. First, import those 2 videos to VideoProc Vlogger. Then, drag the video with closing eyes into the video track. Move the playhead to where she closes her eyes. Click Split and delete the rest part behind. Next, drag the video with open eyes into the video track. And now, we need to cut out the process from closing eyes to opening eyes. And to be noticed, don't stay too long on the process of closing eyes. Otherwise, the link up will not be so fluent. And here is the finished video. Let's take a look. The last method, sound match. Sound match can often be used to assess the first 2 matching methods that we mentioned before, and it can bring a greater impact to the transition. The scene switching is more natural when the sound of the previous shot overlaps with the sound of the next shot. So, when we want to use this kind of matching form, the first thing that needs to be considered is the similarity of the sounds. For example, here are 2 clips. Let's preview both of them. One is that the door of an elevator is closing. Another one is the person who is opening a door. Obviously, the similarity of these 2 clips is the sound of the door. First of all, drag this clip into the video track and move the playhead to where the elevator just closed. Right-click and select Add Marker in Clip. This will help us to do the further editing. Then, drag the second fragment to the video track. Right-click again and select Detach Audio. And this will separate the sound of the door opening. Next, drag the second clip into the overlay track and link up the first frame with the marker that we just made precisely. As a result, The door is opened immediately after the elevator is closed. Move the clip with the door opening sound in audio track. Let it overlap with the sound of the elevator closing. Finally, cut off and delete the extra part in the second clip. And do the same cut for the audio. Let's preview the video. This fluent transition is exactly what I want. The use of match cut is far more than what I mentioned today, and you can try more in your own videos. Alright, now you've reached the end of today's video about match cut in VideoProc Vlogger. I think you have got a comprehensive understanding to it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't yet. We will see you in our next tips. Hope you enjoy. Bye.